I knew when I saw the HoloLens, I knew that this was the future, and I knew I needed to get my hands on it. I didn't fully understand at the time the business opportunities, but I knew that, whatever happens, I need to be part of this. Think about what the mixed reality future is going to look like. Think about holograms everywhere. Think about how efficient your life is with these different scenarios. And to be honest, we're all new. That future hasn't happened yet.
I'm Jonathan Gennick. I'm actually Sean's editor on the book, so I'm really happy to have a small part to play in bringing him out here to talk. This is an area, there's so much going on, and it's such a fun area, and there's so much change happening. It's an area that we're actually looking actively for other people who have things to say back to the community, maybe in book form.
So the book, I've been noticing that the HoloLens and mixed reality is such a new technology, and everyone is wanting to know, how can I get involved in mixed reality? And at the time, there weren't that many books available, and I thought there was a great need in the marketplace for something that was step-by-step, really easy for people to get started. And so a big motivator for me was kind of a few different things. One was kind of sharing my knowledge and what I've learned in developing apps for the HoloLens in a professional capacity with other people, and to help them kind of get started and to answer some of the questions that I found really difficult when I got started. The other thing was, I wanted to demonstrate to some of the clients that I've been working with that I do have expertise in this area. And although providing demos goes a long way, I think being able to show a book also shows some expertise. So I thought that was a great value add as well. And overall, I just enjoy writing about my experiences. So I've worked on an urban planning app for cities that are outside of Shanghai. Applications to look and see what the city looks like, to zoom into the city, to walk around, to gather information. I've done applications, shared applications on looking to see, the order in which buildings are built. I've done real estate applications for luxury apartments where a salesman can, offer a tour guide and have multiple people kind of walk through the apartment with him. I've done an educational app where it's a tourism app where people will come in and be able to experience the globe in a new way, in an immersive, three-dimensional way, and learn about different countries of the world in a university context. And social, shared applications. I've done entertainment applications. I've done sports applications. I've done a tennis coaching applications, and I could list off a few more. So I knew when I saw the HoloLens, I knew that this was the future, and I knew I needed to get my hands on it. I didn't fully understand at the time the business opportunities, but I knew that whatever happens, I need to be part of this, right? So I got the HoloLens, started developing some applications that I was interested in, and started getting some attention, and which actually turned into a few paid opportunities early on. And I was thinking, oh wow, there's actually clients out here who are interested in mixed reality. So that one thing led to the next, and I started doing more work, and it became a full-time job in no time at all. And then it got to the point where I couldn't even do it anymore because there were so many projects that I started having to hire people. So now I've got a small team working with me, and there's just so much to do, so many opportunities. So that's kind of the trajectory I'm on right now. Think about the future. What does the future look like? And then realize that I can actually do that today, right? There are very few things that you can't do with the HoloLens. So I'd say it's more of a mind shift. It's more of thinking that, oh wow, there's this future world that's so nice. But don't think about that. Think about, oh wow, I can actually sit down at the computer and make this right now. Whether it's easy, moderate, or difficult, I can actually achieve it with this platform today. So start thinking about that, and start thinking about how you can make demonstrations, how you can start contacting the right people at different companies to initiate those conversations, start initiating, start showing things, start realizing that the mixed reality future is not in the future, it's a mixed reality today, and we need to kind of grab hold of that opportunity and start building that future out.